animal living in him. When people start letting animals live freely, the chicken and the cow like a buffalo freely. When mankind welcome the animal living in him, I see goodness, only joy in existence.